Hello everybody. This is a video I've been looking forward to doing for a couple of months now. Just been waiting for everything to show up, but it's time to do the unboxing of the Silver Sport Transmissions direct fit kit for my 55 Chevy. Everything finally showed up this week, so pretty excited to go through these boxes with you. So anybody who might be interested in one can see what they should expect from it. First off, I love Silver Sport's box, especially the warning label. Warning, use of this product is addictive and may lead to burnouts and traffic violations. That sounds like the company I should be buying from. I love it. Anyway, I'll get the camera clamped up here and just start going through them. I pre-opened the boxes just so I wasn't wasting time pulling staples and stuff while going through this thing, but let's get the camera set up and start going through this stuff. All right. First box. The oil for the transmission and brake fluid for the clutch. So I got the complete kit with everything. Then we'll have to run to the store for little parts. So oil and hydraulic fluid for the clutch. Now, which one of these do I want to do first? Probably this long one. Got a feeling this is the trans cross member. Really nicely, tightly packed in there with paper. Don't think anything's in there, but always a good idea to check it. Ooh! Tubular. I like that. Sweet. Small parts enclosed. Probably just the the bolts for it, bolt hardware, but yeah, looks pretty good. I like that. I like how it's kind of tucked up for some of that exhaust clearance. Get some of these boxes out of the way. Now let's make sure we got a little more visibility. There we go. All right. And this one here. Bell housing. I had a pair of bell housings, cast iron ones from a pair of 3-speed manual transmissions that could have been used with some modification, but they were dirty and ugly, and this thing with the big block is going to be heavy enough, so I went ahead and got the aluminum one, and then just the cover. Okay. Looks like the shift boot and the ring for it, for the shifter, for cutting that hole out in the trans tunnel. This one's hardware. I'm gonna have to open that up to see what all is in that hardware. This is probably the master cylinder. We'll have to get that opened up. this paper does have stuff in it. Ah, I was wrong. There's the master. Transmission mount. This one feels like a shift lever. It is, in a nice protective sleeve to keep it from getting scratched up. I like that. Put the same kind of stuff on my fishing rods sometimes. Let's pull this out and have a look. SST, Silver Sport. A slight kickback to it. Can't wait to roll through the gears with this thing. So excited. Still be a little bit before I get it installed, but I gotta go through it now and have a look. Also inspect for damage, but everything looked like it arrived in good shape. And the box is having holes or dents in them. Look at that, it's all packed pretty well. Doesn't feel like there's anything in this one. Clutch kit. I already have a flywheel, so I didn't order that with it. Let's go over here and have a look at the transmission box. You see, stop is the first thing. You see there what that says. Stop. You have a Tremec TKX and the tunnel modifications may not apply to your installation. Well, that was part of the point of getting it, and the design of the TKX is the fact that it's a smaller case and you don't have to cut up your floor to make it fit, supposedly. So, should be a direct fit. Excuse me. Should be a direct fit kit. So, but nice packing stuff in here. That's nice and tight. So, got that warning. And folder with all the instructions and warranty stuff, cutting templates. Yeah, that's all the stuff I was expecting for warranty stuff, which I'll go through later. Definitely important. But we're not interested in warranty paperwork. We're interested in having a look at the transmission. Definitely harder one-handed. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. All oil and lubricating fluid has been drained, so it ships empty. Must fill it up before you start using this thing. And what I had Silver Sport do was part of their recommendation on this one. The shifter normally comes in the rear position when they get it from Tremec. I had them flip it to the forward side, which is also their recommendation, the location for the Tri-5s. So, cool beans. Looks good. Yeah, I saw one of those with a polished case that looked fantastic, but I'm not paying for that. It's gonna be under the car and getting dirty, and it's not gonna be a show piece, just a cool running hot rod. So, not that worried about that, but still looks pretty cool. All right. I'm not going to pull that thing out of the box completely. Then I will pull this off the front so we can have a look at the front of the transmission. There we go. Yeah. Good looker. Got the bearing there. Sweet. Let's get a pair of scissors and open some of those packages. Didn't have it ready right away. Just so excited. Get some extra light. There we go. Let there be light. We can see. Kind of curious what's in this one. That might be the throwout bearing. Well, no, that was over there. Well, we'll see. I'll quit guessing and just look at what I'm getting. Aha! Fluid reservoir, hoses, boot, an adapter bracket, another adapter with a Heim joint. I went with the white shift knob. Decided to put that on the shifter. So, cool. And some brake fitting. Looks like bleeder fittings here. And let's see what's in this other one here. Pigtail. Bolts. Isolator to cross member hardware. That's the trans mount. Isolator to transmission hardware. That's the bolts go into the top on the rubber there. I like how everything's really well labeled. Ooh, speedometer drive. That's what that is. Bolts into the side of the transmission. Nice. A lot of hardware. To drive gear. That is the pilot bearing for the back of the engine. Go in the crankshaft. Oh. Let's sit on here. Bell housing and inspection cover bolts. And transmission to bell housing. That's all that hardware. Get some of this stuff put back in here. Because once I put it away today, it'll be a few weeks before I get back to this stuff. And I got some other things going on with the car. All right, let's see what we got in this one. Okay, that one just opened up on its own. All right. Yeah, nice leather boot or vinyl leather look. Cool. might as well have a peek in here. Let's see. Here we go. Don't know why it wouldn't go one way, going out the other. And clutch kit. Warning, failure to follow these instructions will void your clutch warranty and may lead to other complications not covered by Silver Sport transmission. Installation instructions. There's pressure plate in here. Yep. Alignment tool. And the Advanced Friction Series 2 pressure plate. So the clutch disc here and the pressure plate. I don't know why I said pressure plate earlier. This is clearly a clutch disc. Make sure that's all in there well. Catches my attention for next time. But pretty nifty. Definitely cool. So there it is, folks. Pretty excited to get to putting that in the car. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys later. Take care.